Hello friends. So after quite a while I'm doing a video. I'm doing a video on the constellation Pegasus, the flying horse. So in a lot of movies, especially I saw recently Jumanji the Next Level, in the end, the Chinese girl rides a flying horse. It's Pegasus. So why, what of this Pegasus I will just briefly discuss. So as usual I'm relying on Constellation of Words site. Excuse me. Of course, you can't excuse because I'm doing a recorded video. So, most of the stars which are in this constellation lie in Pisces, Pisces constellation. Curb or any, I'll just make it bigger because I can't see. In myth, Pegasus carries the thunderbolt of Zeus. So, Zeus is like Indra, Thor. So, he is the one who's carrying the thunderbolt. He's a noisy footed, becoming thundering horse of Jove that carried the divine lightning. Pegasus is the winged white horse, son of Poseidon, meaning ocean god, in the shape of a horse. At birth, Pegasus sprang forth from the bloody neck of Gorgon Medusa. Algol. It's in 24 Taurus. Too many ads on this site. And in the constellation Perseus. So here is Algol. And here is Capulus. This is where my Jupiter is. My Jupiter is in Capulus. So I'll just show you that a little bit later, I guess. So coming back to Pegasus, bloody neck of Medusa, and when she was beheaded by the hero Perseus. So this gives me a hint that only when you sacrifice something, only when something happens, maybe blood over internet, or it could be a kind of an awakening or samadhi or whatever it is, then only Pegasus will come out. A spring was created when Pegasus' hooves struck the earth on Mount Helicon, the fabled spring of Hippocrene, at the behest of Poseidon to prevent the mountain swelling too much. Pegasus was tamed by Bellerophon, who rode him into the battle against the fire-breathing Chimera. Later, Bellerophon attempted to fly to Mount Olympus. So Mount Olympus or Mount Meru, the home of gods, is one and the same thing. On the back of Pegasus. That's a scene in Jumanji 2 where the girl is sitting on Pegasus trying to fly. The gods send a gadfly to sting Pegasus, causing the horse to buck, throwing Bellerophon back down to earth. Pegasus, freed of his burden, continued to wing his way to Mount Olympus. So Bellerophon fell down and Pegasus continued to fly. And he went into stables of Zeus, Jupiter, Indra. One of his wing feathers fell to earth close to Tarsus, giving the city its name. It is said that Pegasus bears for Jupiter the lightning and thunder. The word spirit, aspire, conspire, spirit, expire, inspire, perspire, respire, has a number of associations with Pegasus. So spirit, see, it was the action of his hoof pawning the ground at Hippocrene. The inspiring fountain of the muses sprang forth. Everywhere the winged horse struck hoof to earth, An inspiring spring burst forth. In poetry, the phrase, "My Pegasus will not go this morning," means the author's brain will not work, lacks inspiration. And I'm mounting my Pegasus means he's going to write. And I'm on my Pegasus means he's engaged in writing. As you know, I'm a writer. I have been working as a writer for the last 20 years. And even in school, college, I used to write some poetry, essays, and all. So, spring, the word spring is also associated. A verb used for the action of the Spirit of God in Septuagint. Sperm was thought to contribute the spirit to matter of the maternal egg. So that is why a lot of Pegasus imagery are coming. Sprite. Sprite is a drink, very famous drink in India. People drink that and say, it's very clear. So coming back to alcohol. So from here, when the head was cut from the neck, the blood came out from Medusa. Algol is a bright star position on the severed head that Perseus is carrying. It is eclipsing binary. This demon star blinks for roughly 8 hours as the dimmer star of the pair passes between the brighter and the earth. Algol, the demon star, and the blinking demon from the Arabian, Ra's al Ghul or Ra's al Ghul, the demon's head, is said to have been thus called from its rapid and wonderful variations. So I have my Jupiter in this constellation Perseus. And see, people influenced by alcohol, Pablo Picasso, Van Gogh, Albert Einstein, Carl Abraham, Carl Jung, Ramakrishna, Muktananda, Werner Reinhardt, Marshall, Al Gore. See, even his name is like global warming guy. He is the one who said global warming will happen, is happening. Prince William, Anita, Zola Budd. I mean, basically everybody, every famous guy. Stephen King, horror novels. And then here you have to add Parthasarathi. Perseus. So I have my Jupiter in Capulus here. The Hanged Man. See, obviously. It causes blindness or defective eyesight. Yeah, I don't have one eye and one eye is -10. But yes, I have hopes that since I cut the head, I'll get Pegasus. Somebody joined in my office. His name is Sheet. Sheet. There's an I. So nothing is coincidence, you see. His name is Ishit, and there is a sheet in this constellation Pegasus. Thank you, friends. I will end here.